Hello, student of Standard 6. Last time in video already we learned the lesson unit number 2 Amazing Animals, and we read Battle in the Jungle part 1. We already learned a new words and activity 3 2. Now in this episode we will learn the question answer of Battle in the Jungle part 1. Once upon a time there was an animal walked on the land, and all the birds and insects that flew in the sky began to quarrel. This is the lesson, right? There are so many question answer which can come in our mind. So let us know about it. Question number 1. What happened once upon a time between all animals, birds and insects? Once upon a time, all the animals, birds and insects began to quarrel about who is the smartest and strongest. These all the question answers are Battle in the Jungle part 1. Okay. Question number 2. What were the animals, birds and insects doing slowly? Slowly they become angrier and louder. The tigers growled and the wolves howled. The birds gave loud cries and cackles. The insect buzzed as loudly as they could. Question number 3. Who said, "Stop shouting, let's not waste our time and energy. In talk, let's fight"? Question again. Who said, "Stop shouting, let's not waste our time and energy. In talk, let's fight"? The old parrot said, "Stop shouting and let's fight." Question number 4. What said lion? Lion said, "I can bite harder than any one of you." Question number 5. What said elephant? The elephant said, "I can lift a whole tree and find you all at once." What said elephant? The elephant said, "I can lift a whole tree and fight you all at once." Because he is the strongest animal. Question number 6. Who became the commander of the animals? Who became the commander of the animals? The lion became the commander of the animals. Question 7. Who became the commander of the birds? The old parrot became the commander of the birds. The old parrot became the commander of the birds. Now, these all the question answer of Battle in the Jungle part 1. Now, Battle in the Jungle part 2. Let us read this. At the meeting, the parrot called all their friends. The fly, you become the spy for our army. Tell us the animal's plan. Yes, said the fly. I will become the spy for our army. Before I battled, the lion called at all the animals together. The tiny fly flew in and hid nearby. Are you all ready? Said the lion asked. The lion asked. Yes, we are ready. They all shouted. We are ready to go to the battlefield. For what the all animals are ready? The all animals are ready to go to the battlefield. Then listen carefully, said the lion. What said the lion to the animal? Listen carefully. The lion whispered. Lion spoke slowly. I have a plan, Captain Fox. You have a nice long tail. You will be my signal on the battlefield. I shall whisper in your ear, then it is time to fight. You will put up your long tail to signal all the animals to attack the birds. Is that clear? What whispered the lion? What said the lion slowly? He said, I have a plan, Captain Fox. You have a nice long tail. You will be my signal on the battlefield. I shall whisper in your ear when it is time to fight. You will put up your long tail to signal all the animals to attack the birds. Is that clear? Very clear, sir, said the fox. What answered the fox? The fox replied, very clear, sir. Very well, said the animals in one voice. What all the animals said in one voice? Very well. The fly hurried to tell the parrot the lion's secret plan. The time for the battle came. Both sides meet on the battlefield. Soon the lion whispered to the fox, it is time, put up your tail. The fox put up his tail to signal the animals to attack. But parrot was ready. He quickly and quietly said to the bee, hurry at once and steal the fox's tail. ये स्टोरी में क्या हुआ आप समझ गए ना? वाई आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू इन हिंदी टू सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस। कि मीटिंग में पैरोट ने फ्लाई को बुलाया और कहा कि आप छुप हमारे जासूस बनकर उनमें जाना है और छुप के लायन का जो प्लान है वो जानकर मुझे बताना है। और बी वहाँ छुप के जाती है और लायन का प्लान बताती है कि लायन ने कहा था कैप्टन फॉक्स को कि मैं जब आपको सिग्नल दूँ आपको आपकी पूंछ ऊंची करनी है ताकि एनिमल्स बर्ड्स पे अटैक कर सके। और दोनों की ओर रेडी हो गए और बाद में पैरोट ने बी को बोला कि आप तुरंत जाओ और जब लायन का सिग्नल मिले तो आपको कैप्टन फॉक्स की पूंछ पे काटना है। द बी स्टंग द फॉक्स। बी ने उसकी पूंछ पे स्टंग किया। He stung him once, he stung him twice, and he stung him 3 times. The fox forgot all about the signal. He jumped, he shouted, he ran in circle after his injured tail and finally tucked his tail between his legs and ran away. उसको जब बीज ने काट लिया 3 बार काटा तो अपनी पूंछ को दोनों पाँवों के बीच में दबाकर राउंड मारने लगा, दौड़ने लगा। The other animals were confused. तो एनिमल्स कंफ्यूज हो गए कि ये क्या कर रहा है सिग्नल देने की बजाय। दे रैन अवे फ्रॉम बैटल। वो सब मैदान से भाग गए, लड़ाई के मैदान से भाग गए और वो अपना युद्ध हार गए। दे लॉस द बैटल। The birds fluttered their wings in joy. बर्ड्स ने क्या किया? अपनी जो विंग्स है वो फ्लटर्ड किया। विंग्स इन जॉय। दे हैड वॉन विदाउट फाइटिंग एट ऑल। तो ये लोग इस तरह से जीत गए। बराबर। Now, certain question answer there. Question number 1. At the meeting, to whom Parrot called on? At the meeting, to whom Parrot called on? At the meeting, Parrot called on their friend, the fly. Question number 2. What did Parrot tell to it? Parrot ने वो बी जो फ्लाई आई थी उसको क्या कहा? The parrot told him to become the spy for army and tell the plan of enemy. Fly replied, yes sir. Question number 3. To whom the lion had called? The lion had called the Captain Fox. Question number 4. What did the lion say to the Captain Fox? The lion said to the Captain Fox, I have a plan. You have a nice long tail. You will be my signal. When I signal, you will put up your tail to attack on birds. What did parrot say to bee? पैरोट ने वो बी को क्या कहा? The parrot said to bee quickly and quietly, when I signal, sting the fox tail. जब मैं बोलूं तब फॉक्स की टेल को आप स्टंक करना. Here are the question answers already I have given you both of the part. You just make it at your home, write down 5 times in your notebook and read the lesson and question answer too. बराबर? ठीक से 5-5 बार नोटबुक में लिखना, मैं आपका चेक करूँगा. ओके? Still, bye. See you in next episode.